you at the
What up, guys? I'm in the middle of taking off this, oh my gosh, taking this out of this wrecked wing. I'm gonna make a little something here with my surplus of alligator clips that I have from my electronics channel and a spare piece of wood that I have from building my studio. I'm going to try and make myself a little guy that I can clip to help me with soldering. Maybe I'll just make a little thing, do a little thing, and put some clips on it so that I can hold my little parts while I'm soldering. I'm just getting ready, getting all the things I need together to build another basher. So this is like not really part of this video, but I wanted to just do a quick build of something useful that you can make out of shit that you have at home that's gonna help you with your soldering. Okay? Okay. Cool. What are you gonna need? A drill, you know, so you can drill a hole, you know, a bit. Something that you can stick into a hole like this. And I'm just coming up with this off the top of my head, but some alligator clips. You can order these online for like, I think 10 is like $3 or something, like $5 or something. And they're great for testing electronics and doing little builds and stuff. So I think I'm just gonna like mount this, just have them out like this, and they're like not really pliable at all, but they're gonna help me to just as an extra hand, a little helping hand. So DIY helping hand here, guys. I'm gonna just hot glue it together. Alright, so I took some of the yellow and the white that I had, because I don't really, it's a little bit confusing to use those sometimes, so I never really use them. So added a zip tie and another zip tie and a bunch of hot glue. I know it's not pretty, but I bet you it'll work, and it didn't cost me anything. This is stuff that I already had lying around. So
won't you let me walk you home from school? Won't you let me meet you at the
alright, guys, that's my little helping hand build. It's not much, it's not pretty, but it works, and it didn't cost me a dime. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you hated it, give me a thumbs down. As always, I'm Mike Wheats, and thanks so much for watching. Peace and love. See you in the next one.